Kaya ako tumawag ngayon. Kasi gusto kong paalam. Gusto ko alagaan mo ang sarili mo. Kasi kahit na hindi tayo magkita pa, ako ang unang tao masasaktan. May nangyari masama sa'yo. Basta sigurado ako na ikaw ang pinakamaganda nangyari sa buhay ko. Kahit saan ako makarating, hindi ito akin. Mahal naman kita.
But then you're gone and oh so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you'll come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart extends. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to